Do you know that even the Britain are afraid of the Igbos? And here why they are afraid of Igbos. Not only that Nigeria do not want the Biafrans to go, but even the Britain don't even want Biafra to have independence. I will tell you why. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's not the first time they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. And let's proceed. Do you know the reason why that this Britain don't want the Igbos, the Biafrans, to have independence? They don't want the Igbos to unite because they know that Igbo coming together, all Africa will be liberated. This is the pure truth, and that is the reason why they don't want the Igbos to unite. But however, let's enjoy this video coming from this our brother. Watch the video.
International Awiki, and I went to correct an infraction. It is general belief everywhere that Igbos are hated, Igbos are marginalized. No like Igbo, you know, like Igbo. That is what is going on everywhere. I want to correct that. It's not that Igbos are hated, but Igbos are terrible of fear. We are all afraid of the Igbo. Who is not afraid of Igbo? Let us admit the fact. We are all afraid of the Igbo. Not only in Nigeria, man. Even the British are afraid of the Igbo. That is why they did not go forward to the Igbos, because they feel they are very intelligent and can nobody trust them. The colonial masters were all afraid of the Igbo. So it's not only us that is afraid of the Igbo. Imagine of people that fought war for 3 years, went to Igbo and get Nigerian government for 3-year war. And during the war, the Igbo manufactured what I call the weapon of mass destruction of one way. Who is not afraid of the Igbo? The people who are black Americans who are doing exploit in America are Igbos, whose grandfather was all a slave during the slave trade. They are the ones who are doing great things Igbo in America. Igbos are Jews. But somehow they behave like the Jews, but even the Jews are afraid of the Igbo. The Chinese with all their wayo are afraid of the Igbos, because Igbos are very intelligent. Igbos are tenacious. Igbos are hardworking. Igbos are everywhere. After the war, Igbo man was given only 20 pounds. Within 10 years, only Igbo men everywhere become millionaire. Now in Igbo land, there is no family without Belonia. I have a lot of friends. Plenty of them, two Chukwode, two Akene, two Alabons. Plenty of them, because my mama na Igbo. And so if you are saying that we hate Igbo, nobody hate Igbo. Nobody hate Igbo, but we are all afraid. Let's admit that we are all afraid of the Igbo. That is why we cannot give Igbo power. Igbo has dominated everywhere. Igbo are in charge of business. Igbo are in charge of the economy. Igbos are all over the world. Igbos are intelligent. Igbos are connected. Yanzuma, you went to take power and give Igbo in Nigeria. Wallahi bazata yuwa. That is why we will not allow Igbo man to rule Nigeria. It's no because of hatred. Igbo had dominated everywhere, had taken over business. Now the only thing remaining for us is power. If Igbo I give one chance, wallahi tallahi, they will take over power and nobody can wrestle with them. Billahi lazi. So the strategy we have mapped out is to use Igbo against Igbo. The only man who can defeat Igbo man is an Igbo man. And so we know that Igbo lack money. So we give their politician money to go and fight their brother. Yeah. If you think I'm lying, what is happening to Ajo Zakalu? What happened to Richard Nkorecha? What happened to all of them? Is because after we use them, We cannot trust that anyone who betrays his brother cannot be trusted by us. And so it is political sagacity. It's not a garrulous absurdity but symbolic jingoism. The conclusion of my submission is that we do not hate evil. We are only afraid of the evil. That is why we will not allow evil to hijack power. Thank you very much for your understanding.
Yes, my wonderful people, you are welcome back as you have watched that video. This message go to people that live in Lagos, because when watching this video that I am about to show you right now, I realized that most of the people there are also the Igbos. Let me tell you, maybe most of you people there have not traveled for a long time, but do you know that your village is now a township? You that is say my village is township, when they tell you to go and buy land in your village or to go now and price a plot of land in your village in Southeast, you understand that your village is no longer that village you used to know that time. So I'm going to play this video, and I have something that I want to tell those Igbos who live on under bridge in Lagos. This is not our lifestyle. Don't subdue yourself because you want to stay in Lagos and define yourself in this kind of place. Watch the video.
Now here you dey live, madam. When have you been living here? Since last year. Now here you born this your baby. Where? Okay. This is where you two are staying. Eh? This is where you are living.
Your mother is saying here. Your brother. Which one of your brother is here? Which one? He's agent. Hey, I'm down with you. What? I look for every.
This is where you are living, madam. This is where you are living. Eh? Is this where you are living? Eh?
Sorry.
Don't fall down, don't fall down.
Come outside.
Ìwà lábẹ́ ọ̀run o. Ṣé bí ni wọ́n náà ń gbé?
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video, and also want to set the point of correction of that person calling those people there a criminal. No, they are not. This person who rented that place for them should be the one called that name. But however, it's not by force you must live in Lagos, in Abuja, in mega cities. No. Your village, you can survive in your village. The richest people in Europe, in America, are the farmers. This is one thing people do not know. The people that own money, that's something that these people get money. They are farmers. Farmers, they are farmers. People who rear cows, people who rear goat, who rear chicken, who plant vegetable, who have onions, carrot, many things they plant. They are the richest people. Yes, but you don't hear them. So you don't suffer yourself that much struggling in Lagos, because I that speaking to you, I experienced it. I slept outside many times. But when I realized that Lagos is not for me, I have to move. And I succeeded. I survived. So for those people in that place, if you have a sister or a brother, encourage that your brother to move back to village and start something doing. If you don't know what to do, get a farm of anything, start farming. You make it from there. However, let's jump this matter and know how it dey go for this area. Do you know that Nigeria as a youth have totally lost their voice? And most of you people is going to doubt this. Because a country where things are not moving, if it is not Biafra that is their headache, these people will show pepper to their citizen. I'm telling you the truth. If it is not Biafra that is giving them headache, these people will show pepper to all Nigerians. Let's listen to this, our brother.
Have they lost their voice? I will completely say yes. Because if the masses have not lost their voice, I believe by now masses are supposed to wake up and take their country by their collect their country for those people who did not care for the welfare of the nation. Because fine, we know the suffering we have all masses went through in the hands of APC government. The issue, we look at the scarcity of money in the hands of APC. You look at scarcity of in the hands of APC. The economic per se is everything as far as the nation is concerned is not working because of the failure of the government. APC government is in total disarray. They have no solution to the problem confronting the entire nations. They came into the back door. They never prepared for governance. What they prepare for is looting. The corruption in this system today is more bigger and stronger, more unique than every other nation across the world. Nigeria currency is the poorest in the world now today. Nigeria currency is the poorest in the world.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. If you like what we are doing, do not forget to follow us in all our social media handles, especially turn your notification bell on YouTube so that you'll be getting our update back to back. Thank you so much for watching and share the video.